हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू फिजिक्स हब। सो आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे एडवांस्ड फिजिक्स प्रॉब्लम्स के ऊपर। सो आई हैव सम एडवांस्ड फिजिक्स प्रॉब्लम्स, सो लेट मी जस्ट डिस्क्राइब देम वन बाय वन। तो पहला क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं। तो पहला क्वेश्चन जो है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फ्रॉम प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फ्रॉम मैट्रिक्स। सो मैट्रिक्स इज गिवन टू यू। मैट्रिक्स C is defined by C is equals to, okay, I will just give you the hint and I will also share the answer key. Okay, cos theta, and then you can easily try it to do it by yourself. 0 sin theta cos theta 0 0 0 1. So this is the matrix given to you. Then which of the following statements is incorrect? So you are given 4 statements. Out of these 4 statements you have to find out the incorrect one. Means 3 out of the 4 statements are correct, 1 statement is incorrect. The first statement is eigenvalue of C are e to the power twice pi I, means 1 e to the power I theta into the power minus I theta. So you can do this C minus lambda I is equals to 0 to get the eigenvalues actually. So if you do that, you will get eigenvalues. Lambda 1 is equals to 1, lambda 2 you will get e to the power I theta, lambda 3 you will get e to the power minus I theta. You can check it. The standard procedure will be applied. You will just do cos theta minus lambda, cos theta minus lambda, 1 minus lambda, and equate the determinant. Basically you have to find this equal to 0 and you will get this one. So the first statement you will find to be correct. Next, for all values of theta, determinant of matrix C square is 1. So once you know the eigenvalues of C, we can also calculate the eigenvalues of C square, the square of this. So the eigenvalues of C square will become 1 e to the power twice I theta e to the power minus twice I theta. And you know that the product of eigenvalues is the determinant. So the second statement is also correct. Determinant of matrix C square is 1 because the multiplication will give you 1. So the second statement is also correct. Let's go for the third statement. If theta is equals to twice n pi, where n is a natural number, then all eigenvalues of matrix C to the power 8 are real numbers. So you see, if you put theta is equals to twice n pi, this matrix C, put theta is equals to twice n pi, then matrix C becomes, you see, it becomes an identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is an identity matrix. Once this is an identity matrix, if you take the power of it, C to the power 8, this will also give you an identity matrix. And for the identity matrix, the diagonal elements will be the eigenvalues. Okay. So for the eigenvalues of C to the power 8, all the eigenvalues are real, all the eigenvalues are 1. Okay. Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, all of them are 1. So the third statement is also correct. In this logic, you can easily say that the fourth statement will be incorrect. You can check it. You will see, if you do this CCT, C into C transpose, you will get, if you take this C and if you multiply with the transpose of that matrix, you will find out to be an identity matrix of 3 by 3. Okay. So if this is an identity matrix, we can say your C is equals to C inverse. Okay, or C transpose is equals to C inverse. Okay, so in this logic, you can easily calculate the eigenvalues of whatever matrix you have been asked, CT plus C inverse. You have to find out the trace of this matrix. So you will find out to be 2 into 1 plus 2 cos theta. Okay, but in the question it is given 1 cos theta. You try to do it by yourself. I am just giving you a hint for all the problems. Whichever problems I am discussing, I will be giving you just hint. You have to solve the problem. So the fourth option will be the correct option. Means the fourth statement is the incorrect one. So in this way, we solve the first problem. Now let's go to the second problem. Okay. Let me rub it. Then we will go for the second problem. And at any point, if you have any question or confusion, you can just let me know. So let's go for the second problem. Okay, the second problem reads like this. Consider circular orbits. This is problem number 2, question number 2. Consider circular orbits in a central force given by f of r minus k by r to the power n, k given to be greater than 0 and your n value lies between 0 to 2. If the time period of the circular orbits of r radius r is t1 and radius 2r is t2, then what is the ratio of t2 by t1? So look, this is a central force problem and you are given the force expression. And you know, I have already told you during the class that in a central force problem, the first thing which you need to do, if you are given the potential, you need to find out the V effective. Okay, here all the force is given, we can easily calculate the potential from here. Okay, once you get the potential, you know the formula F is equals to minus dV/dr. Okay, so keeping this relation in mind, you can calculate V. Actually, you will be requiring dV/dr because you will calculate V effective of R. This will be L square or J square by twice m r square plus V of R. Now for the stable radius, your del V effective upon del R at the stable radius r is equals to r naught will be 0. So when you take the derivative of this expression, you will get the term dV/dr, and there you can easily replace this force expression given to you. And after taking the derivative, if you put the value of J, what is the value of J? You know, m r square omega. So once you put the value of J relating to omega, you will get an expression related to omega. Once you get omega, you can easily relate it to t, because omega is equals to 2 pi by t, means omega is proportional to, we can say it is proportional to 1 upon t. And in the question you are asked to find out the dependency on t. So once you get the dependency of omega, you get the dependency on t, and for 2 radius you will get, so let me just give you the thing. Omega you will find out to be r to the power n plus 1 by 2, and t will be just, you can just, it will be 1 upon r to the power n plus 1 by 2, and t will be r to the power n plus 1 by 2. And if you put the radius, you will get the answer will become 2 to the power n plus 1 by 2. The first option is the correct option for this question. Okay, so in this way you can just solve this problem. Just quickly, I think you have understood. I'm just giving you like major hint so that you can do it and try it by yourself. And I'm also telling you the answer keys so that you can just do it by yourself. Unacademy is India's largest online teaching learning platform. You can prepare for various competitive exams like CSIR-NET, GATE, JEST, IIT JAM, TFR. Especially if you are preparing for CSIR-NET Physical Science, you can join me on Unacademy Plus. I cover all the 9 units of CSIR-NET Physical Science syllabus. My approach is especially, I precisely give you the concept of the concerned topic. Then I discuss the relevant mathematical formula and do the analysis. Relevant problem based on the topic, including previous year questions, are discussed. Homework and assignments are also given. This is my profile, and if you want to join my Unacademy Plus courses, you can enroll for this course. And if you are new to this Unacademy platform, you can take Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code FELIXHUB, and Unacademy will give you 10% off. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal. Thank you.